For the parsnip chips, cut the ends, peel into strips. Now deep fry until golden brown. When brown, transfer to kitchen paper, season and set aside. For the parsnip puree, again cut the ends, peel, cut the parsnips in half and thinly slice. Next, add olive oil to a pan. Add the parsnips, followed by curry powder. Now cook until soft. When soft, add milk, bring to a boil, now simmer for 10 minutes. Take off the heat and blitz until smooth. Season to taste and cover. For the mushroom sauce, finely diced shallot. Add olive oil to a pan. Add the shallots, followed by cloves. Now sweat for 5 minutes. Next, add mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Now cook 15 minutes. Add red wine and cook until the wine is almost gone. Add stock and reduce by half. Finish off with a few drops of Worcestershire sauce, chives, salt, and to give the sauce a nice sheen, finish off with butter. Next, cut the scallops in half and season. When the pan is smoking, add a touch of olive oil, followed by the scallops. Now cook 30 to 40 seconds on each side. For the rutabaga fondant, peel and slice about 1 inch thick. Optional, I used a pastry ring for presentation. Add butter to a pan, followed by garlic cloves, olive oil and rutabaga. Now cook until golden brown on one side. When golden brown, turn over. Add stock, now place in the oven and cook. For the pea puree, dice onion and slice garlic. Add olive oil to a pan. Add onions and garlic and sweat until soft. Add sweet peas, milk and a pinch of salt. Now simmer for 10 minutes. Drain off the milk into a bowl. Add the peas to a blender, now gradually adding the milk to a consistency you want. To make the puree extra smooth, add to a sieve and push through with a ladle. To keep that bright green colour of the puree, add to an ice bath. This will stop it fading. At the end, season scallops well on both sides. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Now cook for about 1.5 minutes on each side and serve.